So we got this box with the new handguards for the bike. Come from China. So just a quick bit of information. They were 21 quid, and the shipping was really quick, about 2 weeks faster than it was estimated. So that's them. Much the colour good, pretty much perfect. The light bar didn't come with it, and the kickstand springs, and I just put them in there. But here are the fixings, and here's the other one. They come in packaging like this. So we're going to put them on, give my opinion, and show you how to do it. So first of all, we're going to take the drill bit, and I'm just going to drill the end of that handlebars. You could use a Stanley knife, but I'm going to cheat. And I'm going to use a drill bit. That one's a bit big. So you probably should use a Stanley knife, but I've just drilled the hole, and we're going to take one of those ones that's like a bit of a shim, and then as you do it up it expands. So that's what it is there. Just going to go inside the handlebar. Oh, hang on. How does it... Hang on. So I've worked out that these two here, that one and that one, these are only like packers if you've got bigger handlebars. So mine are only obviously, I don't know, ½ an inch, and then these ones here are for 3/4 an inch or something. But it's pretty simple. I just cut an end in, pushed it up in, whacked the end a little bit with the hammer, and then you have the Allen key here. You just tighten this one up. Lighting's not great. Tighten that one up, and then what happens is basically as you tighten it up, that pulls this one in, which this one's got lines in for. Can't see, why won't it focus? That one has lines in, this pulls that one in, which then expands inside the handlebar, and then you're golden. So, there it is. Looks pretty good. Next step. It just needs tightening a little bit more. Now we're going to put the clamp on, hold it in here. Now, my handlebars get bigger. So, on mine, I don't think you're going to be able to use this black spacer because it's really stretched. I think these spacers are only if you've got thinner handlebars. So that's what it is there. But I don't know if I want it rubbing. See what it does. It goes in on there. Get on. Come on. There we go. In on there. Like that. And then sits on it. Now, I don't know if I really want it rubbing on my metal. So what I'm going to do is take a bit of bike, a little push bike wheel, take some inner tube and cut a bit of rubber. So here's what I've done. I've just wrapped a bit of tape around the handlebars. Did cover up the Pro Taper logo, but not really that bothered. I don't know, with my Pro Taper bars I don't really see the point. But anyway, I'm not ranting about that. So I put a bit of tape because I don't want to scratch up the metal. Although I did just say I don't care about the bars. I care that much. I don't want to scrape it up. But I'm going to put it on like that. This one has to come undone. We'll just slide this bolt here. Like that. It looks like it's upside down. There we go. Here's the right way. Oh shit. I just dropped the nut. Okay, so I've put that nut on there. Now this one here has to be undone. And then you put it through any of these 3 holes that you like. I'm just going to go middle one, to be honest. Because middle's normally better. So yeah. Pretty pleased. I can't undo it. Right, different alley. Okay, so I was just doing up that one. I've got it on. They're all on. None of them are tight. That's what it looks like. I'm happy. Looks good. Doing up that one. Drop my Allen key down that gap. So yeah. Okay, so just doing up the clamp. I don't want to do it too tight because I've got to do it this side as well. But that's basically it. I'm going to undo this end a little bit because I think I've overdone it. So there you go, that is it. That is the first one on. It's really not that difficult. Just took a bit of fiddling time. So that ain't going anywhere. Now, good because it's wrapping around. It's not gonna. I can protect the end of my bars. My lever is just safe. That's not breaking. If this actual frame breaks, which you're gonna have to hit something hard, not the ground. Unless you're on concrete, then you might do. The plastic, if it breaks, pretty sure you can just take those few bolts off and then you can get a new plastic. But you still have the guard on. I think it looks good. Once we've got both of them on, we'll take you out in the light. I'm going to time lapse this side. So yeah. So there you go. We've got them on. I think they look very good. They'll protect my hands. Lovely. Misty, what you doing? Mist. Hello. Hello. So anyway, here's something you need to take note of, which I've done wrong. When you twist the throttle, don't go back. So if you whiz up across the field and then the throttle don't go back, that is not good. So I need to sort out how I can stop that. But apart from that, I think they look very good. 21 quid, quick shipping, strong, well built. My hands are going to be protected. So from me and Mist, that's over and out.